Haier, a Chinese appliance brand, was on the brink of collapse in the 1980s. Struggling with poor quality products and a lack of market share, the company seemed destined to fail. But today, Haier is a global leader in home appliances, generating $35 billion in revenue in 2023. Their remarkable turnaround offers valuable lessons in supply chain innovation, customer focus, and operational excellence. At the heart of Haier's success is their revolutionary, zero-inventory model. Unlike traditional manufacturers that produce goods in bulk and store them in warehouses, Haier manufactures products only when a customer places an order. This just-in-time approach eliminates excess stock, reduces waste, and aligns production directly with demand. The result? A highly efficient, demand-driven supply chain that adapts to market trends in real time. Haier's factories are a model of digital transformation. Powered by IoT technology, these facilities communicate directly with customer orders, ensuring a seamless production flow. For instance, if energy-efficient refrigerators suddenly become popular in Europe, Haier's local factories can immediately adjust production to meet the surge in demand. This responsiveness not only minimizes lead times but also reduces the risk of overproduction, a common problem in traditional supply chains. Their decentralized manufacturing model is another key component of their strategy. Haier operates production facilities across Asia, Europe, and the Americas. By manufacturing close to their markets, they can cater to regional preferences, optimize logistics, and reduce shipping costs. In fact, 49% of Haier's 2023 revenue came from international markets, showcasing the effectiveness of this localized approach. Haier's customer-centric philosophy further sets them apart. They actively involve customers in the product design process, collecting real-time feedback to ensure their offerings align with market needs. This co-creation strategy not only builds trust but also enhances product relevance and innovation. For example, Haier has designed refrigerators with customizable compartments based on customer input, catering to diverse lifestyles and cultures. A vital lesson from Haier's story is their focus on continuous improvement. The company adopts what they call the Ren Dan He Yi management model, where employees are empowered to act as entrepreneurs. Each team is directly responsible for creating value for customers, which drives accountability, innovation, and agility across the organization. Haier's journey from near bankruptcy to global dominance is a masterclass in modern supply chain management. Their ability to blend technology, customer insights, and decentralized operations has allowed them to stay ahead of the competition. For businesses looking to scale or improve, Haier's story offers key takeaways. Embrace demand-driven production, invest in technology, localize your supply chain, and always prioritize the customer. This transformation demonstrates that a supply chain isn't just a back-end operation, it's the backbone of a successful business.